Well, I think today is June the 10th. Been cloudy all day. Sun's coming out a little bit here in the late evening, but it's been pretty cloudy. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. What y'all babies doing? Y'all got flies on you. I don't like all them flies on you. Hey, babies. Y'all come over and see me, huh? Y'all got too many flies on you. You got a bad eye, 504. Man, we got to do something about the flies on you, man. The flies are terrible on you. Some of them got flies and some of them don't. 504. She got flies all over her. The rest of them don't have many. Where's all your flies? I see 7 flies on your nose and 1 on your back. What are you doing, old devil? Huh? 504? If you follow me on up here, I'll separate you. I don't like the way you're walking again. I don't like the way she's walking again. She had a problem last fall. Man, she got the flies on here. Come on, baby. Howdy, y'all. June 11th. It has been raining all day, and nobody's complaining about that. I don't know if Dad got any of the hay up that he got down, or whether that's been continually getting rained on or not, but nobody's complaining about the rain. We've had years where it rained so much we couldn't make hay, and we were thinking about getting the silage baler to get it done, and but we didn't. And there's been years that were so dry that we couldn't find hay on the ground if you wanted to. So nobody's complaining about the rain. Let it rain. We just have to try to dry it out and get it done. It's supposed to stop raining tomorrow, so alright. Catch you later. Well, we finally made it back here to taking the hood back off again on the 14 to look into this radiator swap. He's going to get something to try to get that muffler off because it's good and stuck on there. Otherwise, it's unbolted and should be ready to come off there now. Okay, so the muffler was quite difficult and required a lot of banging to get it to come off. All right, so we're taking the radiator apart here. We got the hood off and all that. Right here, right there, down here, And right here, there's 2 little bolts to hold the fan shroud on. It's duplicated on the other side. As you can see, the radiator is exposed on top. He's working on the lower hose over there. And I've got the upper hose loose, but have not pulled it off yet. Well, I can't tell you if we did it right or not, but we got it out. It was not easy. I can't tell you whether or not we're supposed to take the fan off or not, but we didn't. And we got it out. So if anybody knows more than me, you can tell me about it. We're still gonna end up with the hole in the cooler here, but it doesn't seem to be leaking, and it didn't damage the lines. And if it's a problem, we'll fix that later. But we need to get this radiator fixed first. Chris was back here working on his M, so he helped me get it out. We had to put a 2x4 underneath the muffler and beat the snot out of it, get it to come off of there. But we got it off of there. Now we got to get this radiator fixed. Got some new knives for the baler, so Dad don't have to climb up there and cut the net wrap by hand. They'll put them in one day while I'm at work, probably. Morning, y'all. June 12th. We come to the local stockyard today, drop about 4 of them off. One of them's having a problem. The other 3 just, getting dropped off. We just dropped them off here, waiting on Dad to come back out, and then I guess we're heading back up the road. Catch y'all later. All the babies. Some goats. That little tiny goat. Pigs. Big old pigs. Hi, babies. Lots of babies. Barn looks full today. Some down there. It's 2 of the ones we brought. Well, we was driving by the local milk hauler today on the way home, and we happened to spot this thing sitting here, and I would like to run this thing across my field and see how it is, but I don't know a lot about them. I just know they're good for aerating hay fields, Apparently they do a pretty good job of aerating hay fields, whether you get much of a benefit out of it or not. So we just swung in here to take a look at it. And, you know, they used to haul our milk my entire life. So we just been standing around here bull crapping. Ben's we were here. We ain't talked to them, and you know, used to talk to them every day, but Ben's the cows went away in 2013. You know, kind of lose touch with people. So we just stopped the bull crap.